In today's world, conventional energy conservation is much required for the future. Everyone needs to use renewable source of energy. Energy from naturally replenished sources like solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, etc. Here we have focused on solar energy, the conversion of sunlight into electricity. Solar energy can be used directly using photovoltaic and can be used indirectly, concentrating sunlight incident on larger area into smaller area. There are lots of applications. One application is solar battery charger. Solar battery charger. It operated on the principle that the charge control circuit will produce the constant voltage. The charging current passes to the voltage regulator through diode. The output voltage and current are regulated by voltage regulator and battery is charged using same current.
Let's know about the equipment which are required in this project. 20-volt solar panels, 2 numbers of 1N4007 diode, LM317 voltage regulator, 1 variable resistor of 1 kilo ohm, BC548 transistor, 4 resistors rating of 10 ohm, 100 ohm, 1 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm, 6.8 volt Zener diode, 1 rechargeable DC battery, LED bulb, 1 breadboard, 1 multimeter and some connecting wires.
Coming to circuit explanation, circuit uses 21 volt solar panel and a voltage regulator LM317. The 21 volt is passed to the voltage regulator through the diode to the V input pin. The adjust pin is connected to a variable resistor and a ground pin to provide output voltage of 9 volt. The R3 resistor restricts the recharging of current and the diode discharges the current from the battery. The LED 1 indicates the power from the solar panel and lights accordingly to the output voltage coming on the circuit. When the battery is charged above 6.8 volt, the Zener diode conducts the base current to the transistor, then the transistor turns on the grounding, and the LM317 gives the output voltage to the ground. The LED 1 will glow until the battery is charging. When it reaches the breakdown voltage of Zener diode, the LED 1 stops glowing, which means the battery is completely charged.
Solar battery charger will take the DC input from the solar panel and will regulate the voltage in order to charge the battery from it. Here we observe that when battery voltage is less than the threshold voltage, then battery starts charging and this indicates as LED starts glowing. Whenever battery reaches threshold voltage, which is more than the voltage of Zener diode, then Zener diode starts conducting and battery starts discharging, and this process will be continued.
Solar energy is an immense source of directly usable energy. It has a wide range of applications, and one of its applications is solar battery charger, which is used to charge nickel, cadmium and lead acid batteries using solar energy. I would also like to thank Sky-Fi Lab for guiding us to build such a great project. It was a great learning experience. I would also like to thank all the viewers for their patience hearing.